Have you ever wondered why some bedrooms instantly make you feel calm while others leave you restless and uncomfortable? The secret might be growing right in front of you. Certain houseplants can help create a more peaceful, relaxing, and refreshing sleep environment. From naturally increasing humidity to adding soothing scents and improving air freshness, plants can transform your bedroom into a personal sanctuary. But here's the surprising part. Simply placing any plant in your room isn't enough. The type of plant you choose and where you place it can make a huge difference. In today's video, you'll discover 7 simple ways to use plants to improve your sleep quality and wake up feeling more refreshed. Make sure to stay until the end for the most important tip. 1. Choose oxygen-producing plants for the bedroom. One of the best ways to use plants for better sleep is by selecting species known for releasing oxygen during the night. While most plants primarily release oxygen during daylight hours, some varieties continue this process after sunset. Snake plants and aloe vera are popular examples that thrive indoors and require very little maintenance. These plants can help create a fresher atmosphere while adding beautiful greenery to your bedroom. Place them near your bedside table, dresser, or a sunny window where they can receive enough light during the day. Besides their practical benefits, their clean and elegant appearance creates a calming visual effect. A peaceful environment can help your mind relax and prepare for a more comfortable and restful night's sleep. 2. Add lavender for a calming atmosphere. Lavender has been treasured for centuries because of its gentle fragrance and relaxing qualities. Adding a lavender plant to your bedroom can create a soothing environment that feels like a personal spa retreat. The soft scent helps make the room feel more peaceful and inviting, especially during the evening hours. Place your lavender plant near a sunny window where it can receive several hours of direct sunlight each day. The natural fragrance becomes part of your bedtime routine, helping transform your room into a space dedicated to rest and relaxation. Even the sight of lavender's beautiful purple flowers can create a calming effect. When combined with dim lighting and a quiet atmosphere, lavender becomes a wonderful addition to any sleep-friendly bedroom. 3. Improve air freshness with indoor plants. Fresh air can make a significant difference in how comfortable your bedroom feels at night. Many indoor plants help create a cleaner and more pleasant environment by naturally absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Popular choices include peace lilies, spider plants, and Areca palms. Their lush green foliage brings life into the room while creating a sense of tranquility. Although plants cannot replace proper ventilation, they can contribute to a fresher indoor atmosphere. Position them near windows, corners, or empty spaces where they can thrive without blocking walkways. A bedroom filled with healthy greenery often feels more inviting and relaxing. This subtle improvement in your environment can encourage a more restful and comfortable sleeping experience every night. 4. Increase humidity. Naturally dry indoor air can sometimes make sleeping uncomfortable, especially in air-conditioned rooms. Certain plants release moisture into the air through a natural process called transpiration. This can help increase humidity levels and make your bedroom feel more comfortable. Plants such as Boston ferns and Areca palms are excellent choices for adding moisture to indoor spaces. Place them in areas where they receive the appropriate amount of light and maintain a consistent watering schedule. As these plants thrive, they release tiny amounts of water vapor that help balance dry air conditions. A more comfortable atmosphere can reduce irritation caused by excessive dryness and create a cozier sleeping environment. Healthy plants contribute both beauty and comfort to your bedroom space. 5. Create a relaxing plant arrangement. The way you arrange your plants can influence the overall mood of your bedroom. A thoughtfully designed plant layout creates a sense of balance and calm that supports relaxation. Place larger plants in empty corners to soften the room and make it feel more welcoming. Smaller plants can be displayed on shelves, bedside tables, or dressers to add touches of greenery without creating clutter. Avoid overcrowding the room with too many plants, as a crowded space can feel overwhelming instead of relaxing. Focus on creating a simple and harmonious arrangement that feels natural and peaceful. A well-organized bedroom encourages your mind to unwind, making it easier to transition from a busy day into a restful night of sleep. 6. Establish a nighttime plant care ritual. A simple plant care routine before bed can become a powerful relaxation habit. Spending a few quiet minutes checking your plants, removing dead leaves, or lightly watering them helps create a calm transition between daily activities and sleep. This routine encourages mindfulness and allows you to slow down after a busy day. Unlike scrolling through a phone or watching television, caring for plants provides a peaceful, screen-free activity that can help reduce mental stimulation before bedtime. Over time, this nightly ritual becomes associated with relaxation and rest. The combination of caring for living plants and spending time in a calming environment can help prepare your mind for sleep and create a more enjoyable bedtime experience. 7. Avoid common bedroom plant mistakes. While plants can improve your bedroom environment, a few mistakes can reduce their benefits. Overwatering is one of the most common issues and can lead to mold, unpleasant odors, and unhealthy plants. Always choose plants that match your room's lighting conditions and your level of gardening experience. Avoid placing too many strongly scented plants in small spaces if you are sensitive to fragrances. Regularly dust the leaves and remove dead foliage to keep plants healthy and attractive. Make sure pots have proper drainage to prevent excess moisture buildup. Healthy, well-maintained plants contribute positively to your bedroom, while neglected plants can create unnecessary problems. A little care goes a long way toward maintaining a peaceful and refreshing sleeping space. Creating a better sleep environment doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. By choosing the right plants, arranging them thoughtfully, and caring for them regularly, you can transform your bedroom into a relaxing sanctuary that supports restful sleep. Whether it's a snake plant producing oxygen at night, lavender filling the room with a soothing fragrance, or a lush palm adding natural humidity, every plant contributes something unique. The key is selecting plants that suit your space and maintaining them properly. Small changes can make a surprising difference in how your bedroom feels each evening. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your favorite sleep-friendly plant in the comments. Sweet dreams and happy growing!